A bus has 4 passengers and 7 more stops in its line. It is equally likely that each person will get off at any of the 7 stops. Find the probability that at least 2 passengers have the same stop. And I gave you a little hint here. Think about the birthday problem. When I say the birthday problem, I'm talking about the probability that in a classroom of 30 students, we have the probability, or what's the probability that at least 2 people share the same birthday? Because this is kind of the same sort of question. We have 4 passengers, and each of them is choosing a number from 1 to 7. We're trying to find the probability that at least one of them choose the same number. It is equally likely, find the probability that at least 2 passengers leave at the same stop. Right. So, this would be for the first passenger. There's 7 out of 7 numbers to choose from. For the second passenger, they have 6 stops to choose from out of the 7. For the third, there's 5 out of 7, and for the fourth, there'd be 4 out of 7. So you could do 4 NPR, or 7 NPR 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 there, to arrange the 7 numbers over 7 to the 4th, or you could just type it in like I did here. I think this is a small enough number, I'll just do it that way. 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 divided by 7 to the 4th, which gives us 0.3499. .3499. This is the probability, all distinct. In other words, they all get off at their own bus stops. So if we're trying to find the probability that at least 2 passengers leave at the same bus stop, we're going to do 1 minus that number, just using our complement rule. We get 0.6501. And if I wanted to use my little simulation, since I have it, I'm going to use it here. Let's make it so you guys can see it. This is, let's see, duplicate birthdays for the number of days. That's the number of stops here. That's the number of days of the year. In this case, it's 7 stops, so we're going to do that. There are 4 students. 4 passengers here, and let's do, I don't know, how many reps do I want to do? 100, and I'll go ahead and run it in quiet mode. Looks like there was 57 out of the 100 stops, or 57 out of the 100 simulations have at least 2 people sharing a birthday or a stop. This is 0.6501. That's a little lower than I'd expect. Let's increase the number of reps by a few orders of magnitude. 64981. That's actually starting to look quite close to the number I have right here. 6501 instead of 6501. Yeah, still pretty close.